President,
Senator Honorable Jerry Maina,
Present, my lord.
Mr. George Sankipa,
I'm present.
Mr. Andrew Muge, Mr. Gachagua Ruta,
Present, my lord.
and Mr. Kenneth Matiba, who is on the way, and Professor Ogada. Professor Ogada.
President.
And Kenneth Matiba is on the way. My Lord, we appear in this matter that continues to be referred as Kerugoya, petition number A015 of 2024, that appeared to have been filed on the same day
So you appear for which party?
we appear for the petitioners in that.
Votes to your leadership. This petition E015/2024, Kerugoya file. Again, we appear for the first interested party, that is the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, in this E015. We will again let the record capture and show the counsel appearing for the first interested party appear under protest. Counsel are as follows: Paul Muite, Paul Macharia, Elisha Ongoya, Faith Waigwa, Victor Soanya, George Wandati, and John.
Can we have that again
Yes, I'm sorry. From what point, my lord?
from yourself?
Paul Muite, Tom Macharia, Elisha Ongoya, Faith Waigwa, Victor Soanya Ogeto, George Wandati, and John. At the appropriate time, we will be going into the grounds and basis for appearing under protest.
My Lord, before there were also certain clarifications that I would like to be given before the hearing for today. Direction for today's hearing can be given.
My Lord, before Mr. Kule moves on that file, are there other files, especially file number petition E572, 2024, is it before the bench? Will take forums of the files which are before the court and that you can raise any issue?
My lords, may you kindly equally confirm whether E0, E509, which was consolidated with E522, is before the bench. One reason, Your Lordship, is that the bench was specifically constituted for that purpose.
Petition E13 of 2024, High Court of Kerugoya, Thomas Kimodo Maingi, petitioner versus Deputy President of Kenya, respondent, and the Honorable AG.
Well, that matter is not before the court.
Your Lordship is called, it is the call that you know whether it is before the vote.
We had a
We also want to know whether it is before this.
My Lord, so my ladies, kindly, with your kind permission, I would also want to seek clarification for my own petition which I have filed, petition number E567. I had information that that file was also coming up before you this morning, and I would like to know whether the same is before you, and if so, whether you can also proceed with it.
When was it filed?
It was filed on the 18th of October 2024, and it came up before Honorable Justice Muite, who gave directions that it should come up actually tomorrow, and I believe that is part of the reasons why there is protest in this matter. And then I was informed that it's coming up today, so I also need clarification.
May it please the court. My name is Dr. Eboso. I'm a petitioner in E541 of 2024, a petition that was filed on 8th of October, and a petition in which we got directions on 16th of October, directing that it be brought before the Chief Justice for this bench. Raises the same issues as the issues that were consolidated, and I'm appearing in person with Ms. Ivy Wambi, the second petitioner, and we were seeking clarifications with regard to directions on that file, because as we can see, the files that were filed on 17th of October, and which directions were given, and the bench was constituted. So we expected that the matter would be mentioned together with this one today. Thank you.
Lord, with utmost respect, this honorable court is a court of record. And the record is very, very important. My Lord, your ladyship, we heard the court assistant call out petition E13 for 2024, and she mentioned the word Kerugoya. That is the file that was called. And in order for the record of this code to be systematically accurate and easy to follow, may I with respect ask that we get clarity on this file that was called out E13/24 of Kerugoya before we go to the other matters. And perhaps it is for this honorable court to clarify which files, one by one, are before this honorable court. This.
Senior Counsel Paul Muite, we are giving you time to talk. You see, everybody wants to talk. There will be a time for us also to talk. So I've heard.
Thank you.
For this morning, for the purposes of hearing this morning, the applications which are before the court are application number A0113